If you want to grayscale a photo in Photopea, there's a simple pro method that gives you the best control and keeps your edits non-destructive. That means you can always go back, turn it off, or fine-tune it later without ruining your original image. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it using a black and white adjustment layer, which is the cleanest and most professional way to create a grayscale effect in Photopea. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Photopea and load the image you want to edit. Once your image is on the canvas, look over to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is where all of your editing layers are managed. Click directly on your image layer to make sure it's selected, because the next step will apply the grayscale effect above it. Now, go to the very bottom of the Layers panel and find the new adjustment layer icon. It looks like a circle split diagonally into black and white. This icon is important because it lets you add adjustments without permanently changing the original photo. Click on that icon, and a menu will pop up with different adjustment options. From that menu, choose black and white. As soon as you click it, Photopea will add a new adjustment layer above your image, and your photo will instantly turn grayscale. But the best part is, this is not just a basic filter. It gives you real control over how the colors convert into shades of gray. A properties window will appear, and you'll see several color sliders, including red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and magenta. These sliders control how bright or dark each original color becomes in the final grayscale image. For example, if you want a darker, more dramatic sky, you can adjust the blue slider. If you want skin tones to stay brighter and more natural, you can fine-tune the red and yellow sliders. This is what makes the black and white adjustment layer so powerful, because it lets you shape the mood of the image instead of just removing color blindly. Take a moment to experiment with the sliders and watch how the image changes in real time. Move them left or right until you get the exact black and white look you want. If your image has a lot of different colors, you'll notice how each slider affects specific parts of the photo in unique ways. That means you can create a soft, balanced grayscale look, or push it toward a high-contrast cinematic style. And because this is an adjustment layer, you can always come back and edit it later. You can click the adjustment layer again, change the settings, or even hide it completely if you want to compare the before and after. That flexibility is one of the biggest reasons this method is better than simply desaturating the image. So that's how to grayscale a photo in Photopea using the black and white adjustment layer. It's fast, it's professional, and it gives you complete control over the final look of your image. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.